Hi friends, today we are going to learn about difference between Razor and ASPX view engine in MVC. Feature Razor and ASPX. Syntax. In Razor, simple, clean and concise. We are using @ symbol for C# code. In ASPX, verbose waveform styles like this and for C# code. HTML coding. Automatically HTML encodes output. Manual encoding needed. File extension. .cshtml for C#. .aspx. Performance. Lightweight, faster. Higher overhead, slower. Design philosophy. Optimized for MVC, clean separation of concerns. Web forms based can lead to tight coupling. Learning curve. Easy to learn. Modern C# syntax. More complex, harder for new developers. View engine configuration. Default in MVC auto configured for Razor. For ASPX requires manual configuration in MVC. Dynamic content. Flexible and dynamic syntax. Less flexible, more verbose. So friends, this is all about difference between Razor and ASPX view engine. Thank you. Please share